What's up, guys? It's Raph in the Raph Cave. Welcome back to another unboxing. Now guys, this is the beginning of the Arlo experience in the Raph Cave home. I purchased these items with my own hard-earned cash. No one sent these to me. Let's get it. Alright guys, so this is the solar panel charger, and this is definitely recommended if you don't want to have to change the batteries every 2 to 3 months. And these are especially important if you're going to mount the camera outside your house, because then you can mount this solar panel next to the camera. This will consistently charge the battery outside as long as you have sunlight hitting it. So this one is going to be the white version. I also have the black version as well, which will go in the backyard to match the black camera. So yeah, looks like some specs on the operating temperature. Pretty nice design. Just the same kind of mount as the camera mount outside. Just 3 screws. Angle it up a little bit, and you're good to go. Maximum power, 0 electricity. And it comes with an 8-foot cord too. Very nice. All right, let's get this unboxed. Black pin. Alright, like one sticker. Slide this guy out. Looks like you have the Arlo sticker again. Instructions manual on mounting. And some warranty booklet. Ooh. Lightweight, thin. Got the 8-foot cord attached to it. And here is your nice, sturdy mount for the solar panel. Got the screws in here. 360-degree ball here joint, and attach it to your house. So that's the white version. Let's open up the black one real quick here. Same kind of box, just black. Black pin. Looks like this one has 2 stickers. Okay. And same thing, sticker and warranty booklet and instructions. Exact same thing, just black. Black cord, 8-footer. Now the black mount. Pretty simple, guys. Let's get these hooked up. Alright guys, so the camera is installed, you see there in the corner. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the solar panel right around the other side, so it's kind of out of the way. I'm going to mount it right there and then tuck the wire across and around. Alright, let's get it installed. Alright guys, so I got the cable connected to the camera in the corner. I got it going around the side to the newly installed solar panel. Right there, going to capture all the glorious sun's energy and feed it into the rechargeable battery. And on the app you can see down here that it's charging. See that? Consistently charging. It's fantastic. Alright guys, thanks for watching this unboxing video of the solar panels. Very easy to install, and you'll never have to worry about taking the battery out of your camera. Just set it and forget it. Amazing. Alright guys, you have a good day. Take care. Bye.